ladies, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. So glad to see you. I have just did a Dollar Tree and a Dollar General haul. As you know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I'm getting geared up to make those Valentine's Day baskets. And if you are a crafter and you want to make gift baskets to resell for the holidays, well, now's the time to start actually stocking up for Valentine's Day. And as you can see, I've got some really great items here. And I'll just go over and give you a sneak peek into some of the items I'm going to be using in my gift baskets. They always have these wonderful glass cups here. These are great if you are making those hot cocoa bombs, or if you do gift baskets that have bath salts or the bath bombs in them. Those are really great. Here's another one, this style. These are great to put the same type of items in. I always need some items for some extra decor, and right now they have got some really cute stuff. If you make wreaths, they have your little heart shapes right now. Gift baskets, gift bags, you can never have enough of that stuff on hand. Tissue paper. And I use these stores. A lot of people think Dollar Tree, Dollar General items are really cheap and they steer away from it. But when you're making gift baskets, you need a lot of filler items, because now some of my gift baskets will retail out from starting, some of them, I can do them at like $25 on up. And I have done some really elegant gift baskets, but you're always going to need some filler items. You need ribbons, you need gift bags, you need tissue paper, you need containers to put the stuff in that you're making if you're doing gourmet foods or if you're doing handmade soaps. But they have a lot of really neat items. If you're doing arrangements, you're going to need some flower arrangements. You're going to need some floral stems for your flower arrangements. Balloons, they have soaps, candies. And then again, I've got some more containers here. And of course, you need some of your plush items. But they have some really good items going right now, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into that. I've had a lot of requests from people asking me what I buy when I actually go into those stores, and I just wanted to pass this along. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like what you're seeing here, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because I'm going to show you the gift baskets that I actually put together for these. So stay tuned.